everybody, welcome back. We have another unboxing today and it's a big one. Like the last two Fashion Crate boxes I got were half this size. So like it's pretty hefty too. Like I don't even know what could be in this. It's like style, makeup, lifestyle type of box. It's not just straight clothes. Like they have a little mix. They usually have a theme and then they go along with that theme. And I don't know what could be in here. I'm guessing about the size shoes maybe. I don't even know if I put my shoe size on my style profile. I may have. I don't really remember. But I'm guessing either like shoes or a purse or like maybe like a beach bag, like a straw beach bag or something, and it's folded in half. I don't know. I'm just guessing, and I've been staring at this box for a few days. I'm so glad I'm finally around to unboxing it because I'm really curious what could be in here. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about my Fashion Crate. My Fashion Crate is a monthly subscription box. It's around $65 a month, give or take. It just depends on your shipping and all that. And you get 5 style items, I believe. And like you fill out a style profile and you get some variation of the theme that they're going with that month. So let's go ahead and open this and kill the suspense and find out what is in this box. Okay, I had to saw at it with this little bitty pair of eyelash scissors. It took forever. Okay, so let's get it open, and it's packaged all nice like that. And so we can see it together. Alright, right on top we have our card. It's going to tell us what our theme is. Okay, it's Mother's Day. Okay, My Fashion Crate Mother's Day. Dear Fashionista, we celebrate all the strong and amazing mothers who inspire us every day. Treat yourself or gift the exclusive premium items featured in this month's box. So, okay, it's got a list of our items here and the prices. I'm not going to look at that yet because I just want to pull things out of here and be surprised. So we got this. I'm not really sure what's in here. Okay, we'll get to see eventually. Oh, it's a purse. Okay, so I did say a purse and I did say straw. Look, it's straw, but I said straw beach bag, but whatever. It was giving off the right vibes, I guess, because this is so cute. Look at that. It's got this little detail at the top, and it's got a little button clasp right here, and it opens. Oh, that is so cute. It is so cute. It opens and has this cloth interior that's all these little tropical leaves. And then you can just shut it right back and button it closed. Oh my God. I love that. That is so cute. Okay, so that's that. Okay, and it came with a little card. It says positive social impact. We are proud to collaborate with Bali's most skilled artisans to provide them with sustainable job opportunities that support their passion for creating. Weaving, sculpting, and creating the poppy and sage collections empowers our artisans to maintain an independent lifestyle while lovingly creating timeless and beautiful homemade pieces for you to cherish for years to come. So this is homemade in Bali. It brings us the greatest joy to know that we are not only empowering Balinese artisans to take control of their future, but also connecting them with customers like you who feel a true affinity for their magical work. That is so amazing. It says, this collection is sustainably and ethically made by hand using traditional techniques, which means each item is uniquely its own. From how it's crafted to the people whose hands who made it, and the soul of the culture it was born to. Each piece has a story and directly supports the people and communities behind it. That is so amazing. I'm going to have to look up this company because I love that. That is so awesome. Okay, that's our first item, and we're off to a really, really good start because that's amazing. I love that. Okay, and up next we have Nailmatic Pure Color. Okay, so it's a nail polish. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. A nice, pretty pink. That is so pretty. Okay, the color is called Eva. I'm obsessed with nail polish colors. Like, if I put on a nail polish, I have to see what the name of it is because, like, I want the whole vibe. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one who does that, but I have to know the name of the nail polish I'm using. Like, I just have to. So that's really pretty. I like that. And up next we have a hair bow. This is really pretty. I like that. It's kind of like a messy tie-dye almost. It is by the brand Raya Fashion. Okay, so Raya Fashion, that is pretty. I love those colors, pretty, pretty spring colors. And I don't think I said the brand of this nail polish, but it's Nailmatic. Okay, and then next we have a clothing item, it looks like. It is by the brand Area, and it is, oh, that is really pretty. It is a dress. I'm going to try this on later. Oh, and it goes perfect with the bag. Oh my God. Look how pretty. The top is stretchy, and you got spaghetti straps. It's got beading around the top edge, and it's just a really pretty flowy dress for the warmer months that are coming up. So I love how well that goes together with the purse. And then this should be our final item. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this should be our final item. We got a necklace by Carolyn Hearn Designs, and it's a gold necklace, and the pendant is just a circle with like that hammered metal material, so just really pretty and dainty. So that's really pretty. Let me make sure before we move on that is absolutely everything, and it is. This is an amazing, amazing box. Like, the first couple, I was like, oh, it's a little too themey. I'm not sure about it. I was really on the fence about it. But this one is so amazing. We got a dress, a purse, a hair bow, some nail polish, and a necklace. And like I said, I paid around $65, I think it's like $64 and some change. And got all these things. So that's an amazing value. I'm going to try on this dress and the purse because I just think they go so good together, and we'll talk about the prices of each item. Look how pretty this dress is. It's just perfect and flowy and just, oh my God. Let me show you the top. It's got this like beading front across the top, and it's all the way through. I think it's on the back too, maybe not. No, yes, it's on the back too. And you got the little spaghetti straps. The top is super stretchy. The actual dress is double lined, so you don't have to worry about any see-through. But then it's just like the most perfect flowy dress. I'm going to the beach in a couple of months, and I think this is just going to be like a perfect little beach dress. And I want to show you with the purse, because I think it just goes perfect with this purse. Is that not so pretty? I love that. Oh my God. And the little necklace. I don't think the bow will match, but the necklace and this and the dress. That is just so, so pretty and feminine. This is such a good high quality dress and purse. items we got. So I'm going to go change back into what I was into, and then we're going to talk about the prices and details and all that. Okay, so the Poppy and Sage handbag is a $98 value. The Area Star dress is a $198 value. Are you kidding me? Wow, that's pricey for a dress. I'm glad we didn't have to pay that. Like I said, this is a $65 subscription box. Like, just the purse alone is worth more than that. It doesn't say the value of the other items, but we also got the gorgeous hair ribbon. We got it says beautiful accessories, so I'm going to assume the accessory is this necklace. It says, although our jewelry is made with quality and care, jewelry can be delicate, proper care and clean, so take care of it. Okay. It is by Carolyn Hearn Designs, handcrafted jewelry made in the USA. And then the bonus mystery gift, which I'm going to guess is this pretty color. I cannot wait to use this color. This is a very, very pretty color. Like, I don't know if you can really see it. It's so much lighter. It's so much lighter on camera. It's more of a bright bubblegum pink. Very feminine and pretty, and I love it. So I'm excited about painting my nails this color. So the next video you see, I may have this color on my nails because it's so pretty. I can't wait to use it. And it says all items in the box vary depending on your style preference. So like I said before, you just get some variation of the theme they're going with. And at first, it was kind of off-putting that they were so themey with their items, because one was like travel and the other one was just spring in general, or nature inspired, I guess. And I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to like a super themey box, but this one, I was on the fence. But now after this one, I love this, and I cannot wait for next month's box. I'm super excited now. The value we got in this box is phenomenal, and the items, each item I cannot wait to use. So my fashion crate, thumbs up so far. I was on the fence. You guys know, if you didn't see the other unboxing with the 2 boxes, go back and watch that one. I'll put a little card here for y'all to go back and watch that if you haven't already. But I was on the fence, and now I absolutely love this box. And I cannot wait for next month. So be sure, if you're not already, to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when that video posts, and also do a lot of unboxings, try-ons, hauls, all that fun stuff. So while you're there, if you don't mind, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and leave me some love in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. And I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.